This is how to fix Black Ops 2 not launching in PC. So let's start. First, you should go to the search bar and type in Nvidia. You should find the Nvidia app appearing right here, so make sure to select it. After that, make sure to sign up with an account or log in with an existing one. Now go to the settings in the left menu and make sure to switch off the Nvidia overlay like this. After that, go to the drivers icon in the top and make sure to install the latest driver for your graphics card. Now close this, go to the search and type in settings. Once done, go to the Windows Update section and make sure to install the latest updates from here. If you do have stuck updates, go to the update history and check the first two, and then scroll down, go to recovery and select reinstall now. Now close this. Next, go to the search and type in device manager and make sure to open this one. Now from here, scroll down and look for the display adapters element. Double click on it, select your Nvidia or AMD card, right click and select the first option, continue with the first option and then click on close. We can close this. Now go to the Windows taskbar and select this upside arrow. After that, look for the launcher that you have Call of Duty on, which is Steam for me. Right click and select exit. Wait for a couple of moments until you ensure that the Steam launcher is not running anymore in the background. You can just go reopen it again and then go to the library and select collections. From here, go select your game. I don't have it installed, so click on this gear icon once you select it and click on properties. After that, go to the launch options and select -DX11. After that, go to install files and select verify integrity of game files. You need to wait for the process to finish. It is very important. It will start by downloading any missing file that is responsible for the launching issue. Now close everything. I recommend going to the Windows icon and trying to restart your computer before trying to relaunch Call of Duty again and see if it works. If you do find it helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.